हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। बाय द टाइटल एंड थंबनेल आप लोगों को बहुत कुछ पता चल चुका होगा वीडियो के बारे में. सो आई विल जस्ट गेट to the point because there are so many things happening in this video. So I just wanted to brief you guys about whatever is going on. So first of all, I had many reasons to shift from this house. So I'll tell you the few things or the few reasons. First of all, flooring of this house is not good. It is a painted floor, so marble tiles कुछ नहीं लगाया है, इसलिए मुझे बहुत दिक्कत होता है मेंटेन करने में, क्लीन रखना में, especially when you have a dog. And I invested around 6.5K only for this hall and kitchen, I think 5-6 months back, and that got ruined by Cookie. He's my dog, is my puppy, so he ruined it obviously, and I don't have any complaint about it also. And the next the next reason is the sheet. So you must be seeing the ceiling, but this is just a POP. On top of it are sheets, इसीलिए बहुत गर्मी होता है ये रूम. And last summer Bangalore में it was horrible. I have struggled a lot and I did not want to go through that. इसीलिए I wanted to shift because it's really hot. It feels like you have been put in the oven, like literally. And but luckily this summer is not that bad. I can survive. I'm still okay. And thirdly, this is a 2 BHK setup. It's a really big house, spacious है. I really wanted a spacious house for Cookie, but रियलिस्टिक बात करूँ तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू मेंटेन काम के साथ साथ, एंड देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स आई ट्राई टू डू एंड इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू मैनेज टाइम एंड टू टेक केयर ऑफ द एंटायर हाउस. सो आई वांटेड टू शिफ्ट टू अ 1 BHK हाउस. इसीलिए, and there are other minute reasons also, like the kitchen is really small, there's no enough countertop, enough like sockets in the kitchen to use my electronics and stuff. But those things I can oversee it anyway. इसीलिए these are the reasons I started, or I decided to look for house, which is really really tough in Bangalore. If you are in Bangalore or any metropolitan cities, you know like how difficult it is to find a house, like a decent house with a good neighborhood, plus under budget, plus with a good owner. So this is what I tried to do, and you can check the clips now, and I'll see you later. So yeah guys, this is the first house I visited, a 1 BHK setup. और आप लोग देख ही सकते हैं मिरर एंड वार्डरोब्स अटैच्ड है इस बेडरूम में. देयर वाज दिस अटैच्ड वॉशरूम ऑल्सो. ओवरऑल घर स्पेशियस ही था, with this attached almirah kind of situation in the hall and a separate kitchen, but direct sunlight nahi tha and no balcony, so I didn't like this place. Also, this owner was quoting a lot, way too much. Now coming to this house, this is the best house I have found in this house hunting process. Owner was good and he was ready to install chimney and RO. I liked the entire house, like every detailing, every color that they had chosen. It was really good. The only thing I didn't like is it was really small. Space was not enough for me and especially Cookie. Balcony was also really small. Now this is the third house. Kitchen का मेरे पास video नहीं है, but this is the room with a very giant wardrobe and mirror attached, which is really good. It also had an attached washroom, which is quite spacious, but I didn't like it altogether. This is the last house I checked this time. This is actually near my place, my current house. Again, I didn't like the vibe of this house. डायरेक्ट सनलाइट नहीं था, नो बालकनी. एक्चुअली इस रूम के आगे एक और रूम था, तो प्राइवेसी कुछ भी नहीं था, सो आई डिडंट गो फॉर इट. या गाइज, एज यू हैव सीन, मैंने कपल ऑफ हाउसेस चेक किया. आफ्टर चेकिंग आउट एटलीस्ट 7-8 हाउसेस, जिसका वीडियोस भी मैंने नहीं बनाया है, जो भी वीडियोस था आई हैव शोन यू इन द प्रीवियस क्लिप्स. तो आई स्टार्टेड कॉन्टेम्पलेटिंग एंड आई रियलाइज्ड कि इतने बजट में ऐसा घर मुझे कहीं नहीं मिलने वाला है. लाइक सच में बताऊँ तो ऐसा घर जहाँ पे अच्छा सा डायरेक्ट सनलाइट आता है फुल डे फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग टिल द सन सेट्स, इतना अच्छा लाइटिंग आता है, इतना एरी है, इतना स्पेशियस है. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ एवरीथिंग ओनर एकदम स्वीट है, वेरी काइंड, लाइक स्वीटेस्ट कपल. सो मैं घर से इतना दूर माइल्स अवे रहती हूँ एंड देर आर सर्टन थिंग्स आई expect, right, in a house, and that's being met here. And I was like, I'm gonna stay here. Then I decided that I'm gonna stay here. After that, okay, after I decided that I'm gonna stay here is when owner approached me. He didn't know that I was gonna leave. I had a plan of leaving, and then owner came and approached me that he's going to change the wiring of this house. He changed the geyser, he changed the fan which needed repairing. He changed the entire fan. He helped me get inverter. Like, I wouldn't say help, he offered me his inverter because I work from home most of the days. तो इन्वर्टर भी दिया गया, पूरा घर में इन्वर्टर का लाइन दिया गया. And he offered me to paint this house, like inner wall, because he was painting the other two floors, his floor and the other ground floor. He offered me if I wanted, and I said yes, of course, why not, right? So I wanted white paint, but he gave me the off white, which also looks good. Border mein I decided to keep it like that, that's fine. And these things happened. I got really happy. मेरे तो वो लग गया, क्या बोलते हैं, लॉटरी लग गया. And then after the painting was done, floor needed to be fixed. Since I had decided to live here, I wanted to fix the floor, so I doubled up my investment expenditure, I would say, from last time what I had paid, and got the laborers also from there itself. Two of them came and fixed this floor, only hall and kitchen ka, only the room I'm right now. Two other rooms are just like that, and I'm gonna do it later, maybe. Hopefully I'll do it. And this is what I did. And then yeah, after this you can see it in my next clips. Keep on watching till the end of the video and you'll get to know. गाइस, हालत ऐसा है अभी. ये फर्स्ट कोटिंग ख़त्म हो गया है. सी, यू कैन सी द ग्रीन ऑल्सो. अब सेकंड कोटिंग किया तो आई थिंक कलर आएगा. इधर हो गया है. एंड दिस इज़ हाउ द कंडीशन ऑफ माई घर इज़ राइट नाउ. देखिए पूरा, ये भी पूरा फट गया. ऐसा हो गया है. एंड पूरा इधर शिफ्ट किया है मैंने.
नंबर दे रहा हूँ, मार दो. हाँ,
Hi guys, so as you have seen in the clips, my ghar is really messy. It's like messed up completely. I just wanted to do like inner wall ka painting, but work kept increasing, so everything is messed up right now. And because of that, I had to get the carpet also, flooring. The last time I bought is not good enough, so it's all ruined. Cookie ruined it, so I've given order for that. He will come tomorrow or day after to fix it. And you have also seen that I had gone to furniture store. From there I have ordered one sofa cum bed yeah, no? Sofa cum bed. So that's also gonna get delivered in a couple of days, so I am looking forward to these things. And from tomorrow my work also starts, but I have this house to organize, which I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but yeah. एंड बाय द वे बैक में ही दिख रहा है. अभी मैंने ऑर्डर कुछ अच्छे के लिए, क्योंकि ये मेरा वीकेंड ऐसे ही बीत गया है. आई हैव नॉट स्लेप्ट ऑल्सो अच्छे से. यू कैन सी इट ऑन माई फेस. आई हैव गॉटन दिस everyone's favorite from Zepto Cafe. It's a Vietnamese coffee and then a choco lava cake. So gonna have this. This is the highlight of my day, guys. And oh yeah, he's the highlight of my life. Yes, yes, say yes. And I don't know, he has become completely different these days. Like he's very calm, very like silent kind of. Just sits next to people, and he used to do that. He's a human dog, but still, you know, he just sits and observes or just wants to understand what's going on. See? So yeah, guys, it's literally 1:30 p.m. I'm sorry, AM रात को और आई एम क्लीनिंग द फ्लोर. पेंटिंग ख़त्म हो गया है आज इवनिंग को, तो आई एम क्लीनिंग द फ्लोर बिकॉज टुमारो कारपेट वाला गाय आएगा, तो उसके लिए रेडी भी करना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज़ हाउ इट इज़. जस्ट वांटेड टू लेट यू नो. ऑलमोस्ट डन. इतना हो गया है, किचन में कर रहा है. इट्स हाउ इट लुक्स. ये तो करना है. Now this area we need to do. So yeah guys, this was it for today's video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos as well. जो सोफ़ा ऑर्डर किया है वो अभी तक नहीं आया है, तो probably by the next video I'll be able to show you how it is and which color I have chosen, and I'll also give you the feedback of it. And if you are from Bangalore, then I will also help you with the location and the price. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video till the end, if you're still watching. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. And please follow me on Instagram as well. Link will be in the description. Bye for now. Mwah.